G'day guys, so I've got a 300 series here behind me that I've been working on just recently, and I've got some Torqit products that I want to put onto it. Now there's 4 different products they've got available at the moment, and they're only new to this space, okay? And one of these products, the Torqit ModuleMap, is actually first time, okay, that anyone has been able to develop a product that can be installed at home. How cool is that? We're gonna put a tune in this 300 right here in my home garage. Now, the other one is called the pedal Torq Plus, okay? Now everyone's used to a throttle controller to take the lag out of these diesel engines these days, okay? Now this one is actually got the correct voltage curve. It allows it to be so smooth so that you've got that, when you're taking off the line, your gear change is smooth, your takeoff is smooth. And the beauty of this one is it can be operated from an app on your phone or a remote control. How cool is that? Now the other thing is we've also got an exhaust which is already put on the truck. Now that's a DPF backed exhaust which is double welded, stainless steel. Mate, it's a cool exhaust, goes on, looks really good as well, looks very impressive. And then we've got an electronic exhaust, okay? Now that's designed to give your car a bit of a note. Now that is pretty cool. That can be operated from your phone as well. All right, let's see how easy it is to install these things today and make this 300 series absolutely hammer. All right, so that's now plugged into the top of the accelerator there. Now, it's as simple, pull one plug out, plug the other one in. And of course, now that we've got no screen to worry about, it's just a matter of either using the remote control, which I've got here, but if you really want to fine tune it, you go straight to the app here, which is pretty cool. So there's 8 different settings, okay? So there's one here that says Sports Plus, and there's another one here that says Max. I'm sort of tossing up between those two. I reckon I'd be Sports Plus, and then you can dial that up and fine tune that with a negative and a positive here. So you can add more, add less like that. And the advantage of that is, so if you want to know what the advantage is, so you imagine if I'm in a 4-wheel drive situation and I quickly need, you know, I'm sort of rock crawling, so I don't want that throttle to be so responsive, okay? I want it to slow down a little bit so that I'm not sort of getting that jerky movement. I want to go real steady, then I would use that, and then the 4-wheel drive mode, and I'd sort of minus that down a bit so that, you know, I've got better throttle control. Some people, they like it full noise like me, and I don't care what I'm doing, I'm just hitting the gas pedal. So yeah, anyway, that's pretty cool. So let's move on now, and let's check out what's going on in the back of this truck. All right, I'm going to open my Torqit app. Now, what we want to do is get the sound through the electronic exhaust. So I've now connected to the module at the back there, so I'm going to shut this, put that away, and let's go and fire the car up and see what this sounds like. I might set this on Sports Plus. Then we go into this setting here. I'll pick up, can go V8 muscle car, V8 SUV, V8 turbo, or a V12 supercar. Let's go with V12 supercar. Okay, now it's set to V12 supercar. Let's fire it up and see what this sucker sounds like. How good is that? That's pretty cool. All right, listen to this. I'm gonna rev up my V8 supercar here, to V12 by the way. How cool does that sound? So basically, the fact that we've got a V6 twin turbo diesel, which even if you were to put a straight through exhaust on it, isn't gonna sound like a V8. So the advantage of this thing, the electronic exhaust, is so that you can have a nice sounding vehicle, like a nice sounding engine, without having to worry about the fact that your exhaust system is gonna give you that sound. That's pretty cool, I reckon. Now, also you can just switch it off completely, okay? So if we want to just go for a cruise, I can just change it to cruise. Quietens it right down. Then if I want eco, changes it. So when you're out on the highway and you don't want to listen to that noise, you can just switch it off completely. Or if you have the lights and you want to impress your old mate beside you, then you can fire it up. All right, so last but not least is the Torqit ModuleMap. Now, the ModuleMap is an easy way to get a custom tune onto a 300 Series Landcruiser or onto any other vehicle, other diesel engines as well. But at the moment, we're just talking about my 300 because this is actually a world first, because a normal tuning place has to take the ECU, literally unbolt it, stick it out on the bench to try and get it to get a remap into it, right? Whereas with Torqit, I can just plug into the portal. They have a portal set up where I can take the original tune off this car. We send it through via the portal to Torqit, okay? And Torqit's master tuner will have a look at it. Now, I've actually asked him, mate, can I have a towing tune? Can I have my original back? So you'll send the original back. And also, can I have a just bulk power tune? And I can choose which one I can go to, okay? So that comes back through the portal. It then plugs back into the ECU and downloads those tunes. The advantage of that is, one, it's custom. It is also a master tuner of Torqit's that is tuning this vehicle. So they can really dial it in, okay, to exactly what you want, which is very important. And then of course a bulk power tune, which is going to give me up to 30% more power. But don't forget, having a towing tune allows also to get better fuel economy, that better torque, and also, let's face it, we want a little bit more power too when we're towing that weight. So that's how simple it is, and I'm telling you, mate, this is a world first. I've got everything on my phone now. I'm ready to rock and roll. We've got tune, we've got pedal Torq Plus, and the electronic exhaust. This thing's going to be a rocket ship. I can feel it. Wow. So I noticed that straight away, even with the gear change, like it's just that solid gear change. You know, it's very responsive, and you just literally, you've got that power there, that torque, but also you don't have that lag, which you always get with turbo diesels. This whole truck is just come together nicely. That whole Torqit upgrade is going to really make this a better vehicle to use when you're in that touring situation, towing, or you just literally want to go off-road, onto the beach, you know, do some inland tracks, and just give you that response and that torque and just that control. And I do like the app, the fact that you can control it all via an app. That's a game changer. There's no doubt about it, Torqit have thought of it all. There we go. Now I've just taken it for a bit of a spin. I've parked it in the garage. Now it has a special anti-theft device, so I can actually lock it by pressing the lock button here on my pedal Torq Plus. Lock it there, punch in the code. Fully locked. Now the advantage of that is the keys can be still in the car, or the thief could find your keys, hop in the car, and he won't be able to get far, mate, because the throttle pedal won't work. That's pretty cool.